I was just very aware that there's much more to me than I was able to express or to feel. And I thought that using meditation, I might be able to get to where I wanted to be. Being naive to what meditation meant and how it could improve my life. So I was very cynical, I suppose is the word. But the practice that I've been doing over the last few weeks, I've seen a tremendous change. And so I wake up every morning to see the sunrise and do my meditation and really look forward to it. So it's certainly a habit that I'm getting into. And I've found that the more I'm practicing, the quicker and easier it is for me to get into that meditative state. Especially immediately after my meditation, I have felt just uplifted and energized. Of course, it's very challenging times now for us. So in the mornings, every day it's challenging to just get on with our daily routine, because there isn't one. There isn't a daily routine. So having the meditation has enabled me to kind of structure my mornings more and just put me at more of an ease without having to be so worried about what are we going to do. And, it's definitely put me at ease and enabled me to get on and do things. I would recommend it thoroughly.